The Tools menu on the standard platform provides a suite of trading tools that will help you build your trading strategy. Hover over Tools in the platform menu to access various trading tools to support your trading decisions. Sector analysis is a key tool to help you compare the top 300 ASX stocks across sectors and subsectors by using metrics like earnings per share, dividends per share, and dividend yield. You can also do comparative peer analysis for any particular stock by using the search bar at the bottom of this section. Enter the ASX stock code on the search bar to view additional analysis on your chosen instrument's research page. The screener is a leader in independent equity analysis and provides quick stock evaluation based on a number of different metrics. Star-rated reports are also available if you're an active investor or premium trader, inclusive of the upside potential of equity and risk profiles. This simple-to-use page provides valuable insights to make better informed investment decisions. You can also view the screener glossary by clicking on the Help icon. This will provide more detail on each of the indicators displayed. Morningstar Research is another useful tool to assess stocks. Morningstar quantitative equity research reports are available for most international and domestic stocks. The reports present all the current cash fundamentals for a share, along with a series of value estimates to reveal what the share could potentially be worth versus its current underlying price. Click on the report icon next to the stock code to access Morningstar Fundamental Research, where you can view analyst forecasts, value models, historical financials, major shareholders, and more. The Alerts section allows you to set up alerts for any domestic stocks based on price, status, news, or volume. Simply enter the product code, select the type of alert, and hit Add Alert. Set the criteria, action, and specify the frequency for receiving the alert to complete the alert setup. Alerts can be received via email, SMS, or within the platform. To view any alerts that you have received, click on the message icon in the top left panel of the platform and go to Stock Alerts tab. Another important tool for investors is the IPO Center, where you can view the current and previous initial public offerings in the market. Select More to learn about the company IPO, including important dates and additional information on the offer. You can easily place a bid on an upcoming IPO by clicking on the Invest Now button in this section, which will lead you to the on-market website. If this is the first time you're accessing the on-market platform, you'll be required to set up an account. Once you've logged in, select the IPO you're interested in and simply follow the prompts. We hope you have enjoyed this short video on our Tools menu. Please continue to explore the platform with the help of our platform quick guides and videos. For more information, visit our website.